Okay, so these are my Python Gourds. I'm assuming that it's ripe when it starts. Oh yeah, it's squishy. I need to pick that. These have performed the best. The heat's starting to get to the leaves a little bit, but oh, what is this thing on there? Get out of there. This one is huge, but it is starting to turn red, so I need to pick this. These cattle panel trellises are fabulous for stuff like this. The gourds like it. They like to climb. And it is, as you can see, just loaded with gourds. I have some kangkong growing in the center, but it is definitely shaded from the gourds. This is an overview of the trellis. But these gourds I'm still learning about. I have never heard of them until earlier this year. They're delicious in a stir fry with bacon, garlic, ground meat, chicken, whatever, and your seasonings, salt and pepper, and other seasonings you want to use. They're delicious. Cut the wider ones. Sometimes I'll, like this one or this one, I'll go ahead and I'll cut in half lengthwise, scoop out all the seeds, save the seeds, and cut them like 2 or 3 inch lengths, and brown off some ground meat and onions and seasonings and whatever. Cook rice if I feel like it, and I'll bake these gourds for about 30 minutes at 350 or so to soften them up and get them done, and then I'll stuff them. Oh, I'll cut them into 2 and 3 inch lengths, 4 inch lengths, whatever. Stuff them, fill them with the mixture, bake them again, and then top them with cheese like the last 10 minutes of the baking cycle. Anyway, I love these gourds. We'll definitely be growing them again next year. This is Leanne from Leanne's Gardens.